Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kristen. This is the second tutorial for my spring makeup refresh, and I'm going to share with you how to clean your eyeshadow. It not only extends the life of your product, but it gives you a better makeup application. So first, what I'm going to do is use a little bit of an alcohol prep, and this is going to help sanitize. You're not going to go over the top of your eyeshadow with the alcohol. You're actually just going to go around the outside of it, each one. That cleans up. You're going to go on each row here. And then kind of follow through, go around. Okay, so that looks good. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take a Q-tip. Whenever I use a Q-tip doing makeup, softening products or anything, I always kind of scrunch the ends. Okay, so we're just going to circle around. And what you're doing is you're taking off that kind of dry top layer. Because as your makeup sits, it does get a little dry. So you want to circle that. You can use the other side, like so. And we're just going to go through, taking off that top layer. You can even see that it looks better already. And I can even feel, when I'm doing this, I can feel that dry top layer. And then, as you do that, then you get down to that smoother second layer. Because makeup is really all about a quality application. And part of having a quality application is it's prepping your products so that they work for you and not against you. A couple more here. And if you're a professional makeup artist, you actually want to do this kind of often. Get that fresh layer underneath there so each one of your applications looks quality.